Mobile Developer Interview Practice Questions, Set 5. Question 1. What does live data in Android do? A. Stores and manages UI data. B. Performs background tasks. C. Handles network requests. D. Updates UI in real time. The correct answer is A. Stores and manages UI data. Live data is used to hold and manage UI-related data in Android. Question 2. Which tool is used for compiling Dart code in Flutter? A. Flutter Build. B. Dart Compiler. C. Xcode. D. Android Studio. The correct answer is B. Dart Compiler. Dart Compiler is used to compile Flutter code into native code. Question 3. What is the purpose of the onCreate method in Android? A. Initialize app resources and set up UI. B. Handle UI interactions. C. Load data from the database. D. Handle background tasks. The correct answer is A. Initialize app resources and set up UI. OnCreate is called when an activity is created, used for initialization. Question 4. What is the app delegate in iOS? A. Main entry point for the app. B. Manages background tasks. C. Handles UI rendering. D. Coordinates app settings. The correct answer is A. Main entry point for the app. App delegate is responsible for app lifecycle and initial setup in iOS. Question 5. What is the difference between list view and recycler view in Android? A. Recycler view is more efficient and flexible. B. List view is faster. C. Recycler view doesn't support click listeners. D. List view is more customizable. The correct answer is A. Recycler view is more efficient and flexible. Recycler view is designed for performance and can handle complex lists better. Question 6. Which iOS view controller is used for managing a collection of views? A. UI Collection View Controller. B. UI View Controller. C. UI Navigation Controller. D. UI Table View Controller. The correct answer is A. UI Collection View Controller. UI Collection View Controller is used for managing grid-like collections of views. Question 7. Which Android component handles long-running background tasks? A. Async task. B. Service. C. Broadcast receiver. D. Activity. The correct answer is B. Service. Services in Android are designed for long-running background tasks. Question 8. Which iOS API handles push notifications? A. APNs. B. Core Location. C. UIKit. D. Core Data. The correct answer is A. APNs. APNs is used for sending push notifications. Question 9. Which framework is commonly used for data persistence in iOS? A. Core Data. B. SQLite. C. Realm. D. User Defaults. The correct answer is A. Core Data. Core Data is used for managing an object graph and persistence in iOS. Question 10. In Android, which class is responsible for managing network operations? A. HTTP URL connection. B. Retrofit. C. OKHTTP. D. Volley. The correct answer is C. OKHTTP. OKHTTP is used for handling network requests in Android applications. Question 11. Which Android component provides support for accessing shared data? A. Content provider. B. Activity. C. Service. D. broadcast receiver. The correct answer is A, content provider. Content provider is used for accessing and sharing data between different apps. Question 12. Which Flutter widget is used to add padding around a widget? A, padding. B, container. C, align. D, center. The correct answer is A, padding. Padding is used to add space around a widget in Flutter. Question 13. What is constraint layout in Android? A, a flexible layout for designing complex UIs. B, a layout for displaying lists of data. C, a layout for creating animations. D, a layout for handling background tasks. The correct answer is A, a flexible layout for designing complex UIs. Constraint layout is used to design complex UIs with flexible positioning of elements. Question 14. What is the purpose of code push in React Native? A, push updates to production apps without App Store approval. B, improve app performance. C, debug apps in real time. D, integrate third-party libraries. The correct answer is A, push updates to production apps without App Store approval. Code push allows pushing updates directly to users without needing an App Store review. Question 15. What is Kotlin's sealed class used for? A, represent restricted class hierarchies. B, encapsulate network responses. C, define UI components. D, manage background tasks. The correct answer is A, represent restricted class hierarchies. Sealed classes allow defining restricted class hierarchies, useful for handling different states. Question 16. Which iOS UI component allows users to select a value from a list? A, UI picker view. B, UI text field. C, UI button. D, UI label. The correct answer is A, UI picker view. UI picker view is used for displaying a scrollable list of values in iOS. Question 17. What is MVVM in Android development? A, model view view model architectural pattern. B, model view model architectural pattern. C, model view controller architectural pattern. D, map view model architectural pattern. The correct answer is A, model view view model architectural pattern. MVVM separates business logic from UI code, improving testability and maintainability. Question 18. What is the use of the provider package in Flutter? A, state management. B, build native views. C, network handling. D, form validation. The correct answer is A, state management. Provider is used for state management in Flutter, making data flow easier. Question 19. Which of these classes is used for gesture recognition in Android? A, gesture detector. B, view pager. C, touch event. D, gesture handler. The correct answer is A, gesture detector. Gesture detector is used to recognize gestures like taps, swipes, etc. in Android. Question 20. What is the purpose of Flutter's stateful widget? A, store and update UI state. B, manage app routing. C, handle animations. D, store static data. The correct answer is A, store and update UI state. Stateful widget allows UI components to change based on internal state changes.